Now we are going to press our two side seams open. This will be easier if you have a ironing board. However, we do not have those here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay out my fabric. I'm careful to make sure that my other seam allowance is kind of way over here so that I won't accidentally get it. And I'm going to lay my lay it so that my seam allowance is open. If you had an ironing board, you could put this loop on the ironing board's bed, and then you would be able to press it open. Then when we press, remember that we go up and down. We're gonna hold it there for a few seconds, but be careful not to burn the fabric. As you are probably working with a cotton fabric, this will be less likely, but if you were to be working with like a polyester or a different type of synthetic, then it could burn. As I'm doing this, this is creating a nice opening for our, right here, a nice opening for our drawstring string to go through. So, there we go. Then we're gonna flip it over and do it to the other side. You want to be careful to not accidentally iron these ends down in place. We are not trying to do that. I just do not have access to an ironing board to make this a little bit easier. But that is totally okay. This works too. Once these are pressed open, you can choose a seam finish to finish the edges of your fabric. This can be whatever your teacher tells you you're gonna do for this. Pinking is a very popular option as described by the instructions. This means using scissors that look like they have little triangles cut out of them. And this makes it so that the edges will not fray. However, what I'm gonna be demonstrating in the video is using a zigzag stitch close to the edges of each of the seams.